Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing these two authentic Tonka Mighty Machines. We have the Bulldozer and the front loader. These fun machines have lights and sounds. You can collect 4 different authentic Tonka Mighty Machines. There's the Bulldozer, the cement mixer, the dump truck, and the front loader. Let's open them up and check them out. Wow, I love these mighty machines. Here's our wheel loader. It has this bucket that raises and lowers. It also moves up and down. It has these really cool wheels. There's a ladder to get into the cab. There's the motor area at the back. It also has the exhaust pipe. And there's a button for lights and sounds. You can see the lights right there. I love when you push the button that the bucket also raises and lowers. Here comes our bulldozer. The blade raises and lowers. There's the exhaust pipe. There's the cab of our bulldozer. And you can see the plastic treads. There's wheels on the bottom so it can move really well. It has lights and sounds when you push this button. And the blade raises and lowers when you push the button. These mighty machines are ready for action. Let's check them out at the job site.
We gotta get these rocks cleared so we can get the road finished. Bring in the wheel loader. Come on, we got a job to do. Here, let me help get him in the bucket. You're gonna have to make one more trip. Great, we did it. Now we need to clear the spot for the road. Whew, we're making good time here. Bring in the bulldozer.
The bulldozer is here and ready to work. Let's clear a path for the road.
Now that we cleared the road, I want to have some fun. Let's see what our mighty machines can knock down.
Great job! He did it! Yay, the bulldozer has worked really hard and has knocked down the tower. Let's see what's inside this tower. Look, it's our construction worker. Yay! We freed him. That was fun. I want to do it again. There he is. We found him.
It's so much fun playing in the sand.
Wow, it's so much fun playing with Mighty Machines. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.